Natatakot ka bang mag-gym o magbuhat kasi baka bigla kang lumaki o maging bulky? Hindi, para mo na lang sinabi na natatakot ka maging genius kaya ayaw mong magbasa ng libro. Hindi yun ganun kadali, okay? Sipon mo to, pag hawak mo ba ng dumbbell, magiging the Hulk ka kaagad? E di sana all, pero syempre hindi. Those bulky bodybuilders na nakita mo, they work out for hours a day, eat a very specific and strict high protein diet, and often have years of professional training at baka nasa top 0.1% pa sila ng genetics. Kaya kung average person ka, lifting weights will just help you burn fat faster and give you that firm look that you are looking for. Kasi ang totoo, muscle growth takes years of consistent effort, lalo na kung babae ka. Scientists have found that women have 14 times lower testosterone levels than men. 14 times ha, 14 times. Hindi 2 times kundi 14 times. And testosterone is the primary hormone responsible for muscle protein synthesis. Kaya kung wala kang bayag, your body is naturally wired to be toned and lean, not massive. So stop avoiding the weights out of fear na baka bigla kang lumaki. You are missing out the best way to burn fat. Muscle is calorie expensive. It takes a lot of energy for our body to build and even more to maintain. And the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn just by being alive. So wag kang matakot na magbuhat. Start living today. Share mo to sa tropa mong ayaw mag-gym kasi baka daw lumaki agad siya. Sana all.